everybody. So I want to talk today about cross-curricular learning. Learning doesn't happen in a bubble. It happens with lots of things happening at the same time. So I know all of you watching this video, especially those of you that are educators, know what I mean by cross-curricular teaching. And if you don't, let me give you a couple examples of some of the best cross-curricular lessons that I was blessed enough as an administrator to watch teachers do. Social studies and English, to me, are such a beautiful marriage because social studies is social studies. They can't change a timeline. It goes from point A to point B. But I can always have a persuasive paper written at any point in that timeline. I can always have a narrative paper written at any time in that timeline. So looking for opportunities where two subjects can cross instead of having a social studies lesson and an English lesson, a math lesson and a science lesson. So much science is math, and so much math is science. I've seen so many beautiful lessons with those of you that teach theology, and looking at historical perspectives of what happened in our history and how Christ felt about those historical perspectives, how those align with his teachings in the Bible, or whatever faith you're coming from. So here's my challenge for you. If you really want students to learn at a higher level, you look for opportunities where learning can intersect. When you teach things in a bubble, they don't learn. Students just don't learn. Every school that I was blessed enough to be principal, that I introduced cross-curricular teaching, my scores went through the roof because they're automatically a higher level of engagement. That would be like someone teaching someone to put a roof on and spending an hour a day talking about nails, an hour a day talking about shingles, an hour a day talking about the tar paper they put down underneath it, an hour a day talking about how to hammer. Who does that? No one. They talk about it all at the same time. That's my invitation. That's cross-curricular teaching. So here's what I'd love to know. What areas in your school are you already utilizing cross-curricular teaching? And what areas would you like to know how to include cross-curricular teaching? At Tools for Success, we have access to many, many lessons, cross-curricular, that we are happy to share. Drop us an email, leave us a comment. Don't forget to like, follow, and share, and let me help you with cross-curricular teaching. Have a good day, everybody.